Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go how you remove this handle if you need to replace it. Say this handle's broken and you just want to replace just the handle piece. You can do that pretty easily. So first you're going to want to pop this cover here. You just use your key and you kind of pull the door handle open a little bit or what you have left on it, and then this cover will come off and gives you access right there. So next you're going to want to open the door if you can. Open it with the inside or open it this way. And you see this black cover right here. We got to pop that off. So we pop that cover off, and in here is a 10mm bolt. And you're just going to loosen that. And as you loosen that, you can pull on here, and when it's loose, this whole piece will pull out. You have to pull the handle this way, and then you can replace this piece. If you're replacing the door lock now, of course your key won't be the same if you had to replace this whole piece. Or if you're transferring something from another door, you would want to definitely transfer this piece to this door so that your key will match up, right? But you want to take this handle off. All you got to do is just slide it backward, pull it out, and you've undone the whole handle. You've got your new handle that you want to put on because it's nicer, or it was new, or replacement of the old one that was broken. Same thing, you just kind of push this end back in like that and push it in, and then put the other piece back in. Other thing to note, so if you got to take off any of this inside stuff, you have to take this handle off. Then you would take this screw / bolt out, and then this whole thing will fall off, and there's a few other things to take care of inside there. But that way you would take this whole thing off and put those pieces on that you need to if you're having troubles to be able to get things open. But you put that back in like that, just snap it over, then take your lock mechanism, and there is a thing in there you're going to want to line it up with. And so this tab you want to line up with the hole that's in there. Just push it in. It feels right up in there. And then you're going to tighten this screw here. Just slightly snug, not crazy, and that tightens that. And now everything's in place. And then you just go ahead and take your little cap cover here. Start from the top. You open the handle a little bit. Start from the top. And clip it into place. And then you would go ahead and put your little cover back on over here. Right? And that's how you would change your handle in case it was broken, the exterior portion of the handle. If you got to do the interior, you're going to have to take the whole door apart and get all in there and undo some stuff in there and pop that out. But that's how you do the exterior portion of it, fairly easy, on your Kia Optima of 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.